Welcome back, extras. Thank you for being here. If you are here today, chances are you've seen my previous video where I unboxed the Coach's collection, Rogue 17 Sweetie from that collection that I absolutely love. And you want to know, Ralph, what else is in that box? Well, we have the box here and we're about to dive in and see what it is. So without any further ado, let's see what else is in this box. I already cut the box open per my previous video, but I have not looked in here other than to grab Sweetie out of there, and then I put the box away. I have not seen the other bag that's in here, so everything that you're seeing is real. It is my reaction. I'm so excited for this. So Coach decided to come out with a new size Rogue. So they have the Rogue Charm, they have the Rogue 17, the 25, the 30, and the 39, not counting the tote. But they decided, hey, why not make a micro bag? Coach, when they launched this and they seen how everybody was turning these into a crossbody bag, they're like, okay, we need to fill that void. We need to give the people what they want. And if this is too small for you and the 17 was too small for you, Coach has another size coming out. They have the Rogue 20. So if the 25 was too big, but the 17 was too small, Coach has you with the 20, and I think it's going to be a great size. I'm absolutely going to have to get one to complete my Coach Rogue size collection. I'm very excited for that, but let's see what's in this box. This is also outside of my comfort zone, you guys. You guys known for the longest time that I was not a signature fan. And it's been growing on me, you guys. So I just had to get something in signature. The more that I see it, especially the signature jacquard, to me, it looks so classic and so elegant. And I had to get one. Here we are. I'm so excited for this piece. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can just see the size through there. Look how cute. She is factory wrapped. And look at like the cuteness of it. Just looking through this plastic, I'm so excited to open this. I already tell that I'm gonna love this. It's going to be a conversation piece for sure. All right, let's pull her out. Factory wrapped here. I'm so excited for this. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is a whole nother level of cuteness. How adorable is that? Okay, let's get her fully unwrapped so we can get the full experience. Here she is, you guys. Look how cute that is, all unwrapped, adorable. It is a exact copy of the bigger sisters, the 25 and the regular size. This is so cute. This is style number CC515 in Cocoa Burnished Amber, signature jacquard Rogue 12. It retails for $195. It is available to order through your sales associate. You just give them the style number that I just said, the CC515, and let them know that you would like to order it. Let's take a little tour. It has this burnished amber color from like my burnished amber Rogue that you see over there, and it has the dark colored zipper belt, which I believe is a little bit different on this one than it is on the bigger sisters, but it's the same color that you see on the handles of the burnished amber back there. It has that signature jacquard, the recycled one. To me, this just looks so classy, so elegant, and I have converted over. I actually really love this signature canvas, and this is just like a great amount of it. If you're not ready to commit to a whole large bag like a Rogue tote or something in the signature canvas, try out something small like this, or even like my Coach's collection Sweetie. It had the signature jacquard side gussets on it, and you guys, the more you see it, the more you love it. Like, every time I look at this now, I'm like, gosh, that looks so elegant, so substantial, so luxurious. To me, Coach knocked this out of the park. Stuart Vevers, you did an amazing job. It just feels so nice. I do have one other, I guess, signature piece, but it has the Bape logo on it. So to me, it's completely different, but it's a different kind of material. It's like really fuzzy. It doesn't seem very durable, but this feels very durable and very luxurious. Okay, the strap is pretty short, but no worries there. I have my strap extenders that I will be using with this bag. I don't care if I look like Lizzo on the red carpet, because I actually would love that, because she looked amazing. Look at her. Like, she wore that tiny little bag. Look at how cute. Let's give you guys a size comparison, just so you can understand the size of this bag. It is 12 centimeters across. So first we have the charm. This is so cute. This is great for like a lip balm and my AirPod Pros. I use this as a charm. I have from time to time actually carried it around like this. So from the charm, you have now the new Rogue 12 for all my micro fans. You can see like the size difference there between those two. You can do a little side-by-side action there. That really shows you like how much bigger the 12 is than the charm. To me, I do see a difference for sure here, but the side angle really shows me, oh wow, okay, this is definitely bigger. We have the 17 side by side here. This really gives you a perspective of how micro this bag is. And look at these, they share the same color handle, which I'm pretty sure is Buttercup. And then a little side by side there. You just see how small it actually really is. But all the details are there from its bigger sister. It has the credit card slot in the front there. I don't know if you guys can see it, where the little foam padding is right there. And it has the same suede side pockets as all the other Rogues. The other pocket, there's nothing in here, this one here, but that'll be perfect for like maybe a little card case or something. So your Rogue 17 has your strap connection points where the shoulder straps normally go on your 25, 30, and larger Rogues. But on the 12, they switched it up. So they put the connection points actually on the same D-rings as the handles. So I have a feeling this is going to sit a little bit differently, and it is independent. So it's not just stuck in one position. This does move around. So I have a feeling wearing this crossbody, it's actually going to keep the straps right up a lot better than on the previous ones. So let's hope that it's going to be a better carry. I mean, as a conversation piece, this is so adorable. Let's get into the inside, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be exactly like their big sisters. I was wondering if it was going to come with a dust bag or not, but actually, check this out. You guys, this is a 1941 dust bag, which we don't really see anymore these days, unless you're getting like the Cashins. The Cashins behind me, those ones do come with a 1941 dust bag, but anything else in the current collection, I don't believe comes with a 1941 dust bag. So that actually is a really nice bonus. And it's very interesting because the 17s, even the Sweetie from the Coach's collection that I just got, that one comes with the New York like satiny dust bag, but I much prefer these. They just feel really nice. And actually that's a really nice surprise that it came with it. It is a little hard to get into. I like to be a little bit more gentle with my bag, so I'm not just trying to pry it open, but it is a little bit more difficult to get into. But here is the interior of the bag. Just like any other Rogue, it has that signature jacquard texture lining on the inside. It has your creed on that back wall there. This is such a statement piece. I think it is so cute. That tiny little hang tag. Like, compare it to the one that's on there. This looks huge compared to this. I think that is so adorable. I love that they kept the 2 zippers on the 12 size, because on the Charm version, it only has 1 zipper that goes across there. This one, they kept it just like her big sisters, the 2 zippers. Let's connect the strap just to see how she's gonna wear it. So the strap connects actually on the inside here. That's very different than the other Rogues. And then on the inside here, with the straps up like this, I feel like the handles are going to show off a lot better. That buttercup color is gorgeous. The only other yellow that Coach makes that I love more than this is flax, and that is making a huge comeback, along with You guys ready? 1941 red and crowd favorite butterscotch, you guys. Butterscotch is making a comeback. I'm so excited for these colors to come back because if you guys are a fan of the 1941 era, you know that flax, 1941 red, and butterscotch were amazing colors that made the bags harder to find. If you had any of those colors, it just automatically made the bag harder to find. This is so cute. I love that this is identical to the bigger sister. I am obsessed with this. I'm definitely gonna use my extenders that are gonna work beautifully with this bag. If you guys are interested in those, they're linked in my video down below. They are amazing. It's gonna add some more bling on top of this buttercup and then this burnished amber. To me, this looks so cute, and this is gonna be adorable crossbody, you guys. Make sure you follow my Instagram because there's going to be lots of pictures of me wearing this adorable bag everywhere I go. This is going to be the perfect size for what I minimally carry: my AirPods, my ID, credit card, lip balm, and probably even a little hand sanitizer. I believe is going to fit in there beautifully. So with the charm, yes, you can technically fit in some cards in here in the zipper compartment going crossways, but it kind of distorted the bag a little bit. So Coach was listening and was like, we'll come out with the micro bag that will fit your credit cards, that will fit your ID, and a couple little extra trinkets in there. This is a conversation piece for sure. Going anywhere that you are, wearing this crossbody is gonna be adorable. I'm so happy I got this, and I can't wait for that Rogue 20 to come out, you guys. That to me, I believe is gonna be a go-to size for me that I'm gonna carry with me everywhere that I go. This bag is so cute. Look how it fits in the palms of my hand. Like, that is so adorable. I am so happy I got this, especially in the signature jacquard. They also have another color, a bold red, but I just got the sweetie bag in bold red, so that's why I went with the jacquard. Plus, I'm like dipping my toes into the jacquard pool, and I really think that I'm absolutely loving this. I might have to get this in a larger size. So as of now, there's only this color available, the cocoa burnished amber and a bold red. To me, I went with this one because I'm loving the jacquard so much more. And I just got the sweetie in the same bold red. Plus, to me, for some reason, I love red, but the bold red is just smooth leather in the front, and to me is missing something. Like, I feel like it needs an extra charm or something. And since I just got the Coach's collection in the same color, I was like, I'm gonna get out of my comfort zone, and I'm glad that I did. So if you love this size, the Rogue 12, if you love micro bags, but the jacquard is not for you, and the bold red is not for you, stick around. They're coming out with a blue, and they're coming out with a green as well. So there's more of these to come, so everybody can have one in their style, in their color. So when this came out, I believe this was like $150 when I got this. I mean, it doesn't have the feet on it, so it's definitely more like a charm situation. And this retails for $195. So the $50 extra, I believe it's totally worth it. It has the feet, it has the extra zipper, it has an actual connections for your crossbody strap. It comes with the crossbody strap, and it comes with the 1941 hang tag. So to me, this is totally worth the extra $50 for sure. I'm gonna go enjoy this. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It is so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay extra out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.